4 pieces bubble nozzles with colorful lights. 4 pieces water jets. It can be adjusted for directions. Ozone generator. Recycle filter net. Water spout. Manual drainer with overflow. Cold water. Hot water. Diverter. Start the lights. Start the bubbles. Start the hydro massage. Adjust the strength of the hydro massage. Start ozone system. Ozone generator, it is a kind of physical action. It is used widely for drinking water, food processing, industrial oxidations, space sterilization, and other possible fields. The ozone generator produces the ozone gas, can be used directly, or it can be mixed with liquid through a mixing device to participate in the reaction. The ozone of our baby spa tubs are the same, so it is forbidden to use acid cleanser to clean our tubs, or it will ruin the baby spa tubs. Just to use the clean water to wash it, that's okay. Heating function. The heating function can be launched only when the surfing function on. Press OK. 2 seconds. The number of temperature will flicker. Then move the triangle icon to left or right within 30 degrees to 42. When the water temperature reaches to the preset temperature, it will turn into constant temperature station. The maintenance opening along with the faucet, it is for the maintenance of the water pipes. The other side maintenance opening along with the control panel is for the maintenance of the motors.